Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a delicious and quick chicken starter. To marinate the chicken, here I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon salt. Now give all the spices a good mix, and once it's mixed with the oil, adding 1 tablespoon of tamarind water and giving this a good mix. I felt it a little dry, so adding another half tablespoon of the same and giving it a good mix. So these are 4 pieces of chicken thigh pieces which weigh around 900 grams to 1 kg. I have applied deep cuts on it. Now apply the marinade all over the pieces and also inside the cuts as well. I marinated it for minimum 2 hours and then cooked it in a preheated oven for around 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So after 30 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. On one side, it's turned brown well, but on the other side, I felt it just got a steamed color. So to give that grill effect or the grill color, like how you get it in the restaurants, in a bowl, I'm mixing a tablespoon of soya sauce, a teaspoon of red chili sauce, and a tablespoon of oil. Now give all this a mix, and with the help of a brush, apply this sauce mixture all over the chicken pieces. You can apply it on both the sides. I just applied it on one side. Now I'm going to again put it back into the oven and cook this for 5 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. So after 5 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. The chicken is soft, tender and juicy. I served this for dinner. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.